And hello Ilocania! Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with me, Chef Sam. At tayo po ngayon ay gagawa ng isa na namang masarap na dish at ito ay tinatawag kong chicken sauteed in oyster sauce with eggplants and bell peppers. Ayan. So, napakasimple lang siyang gawin. So, let's start. First, mag-saute tayo ng onions and garlic. Tapos habang pinarender natin yung ating onions and garlic, start na natin i-cut yung ating eggplant. So we're just gonna do rondelles. When I say rondelle, guys, yung bilog lang siya. Rondelles kasi is a French term. So, spread lang natin siya. Guys, for this case, we used canned chicken breast. Available siya sa grocery stores para mas madali siyang lutuin kasi yung chicken natin was already pre-cooked and naka-brine siya. So when we're cooking chicken or anything that has been brined, when they say brine kasi, guys, na-soak siya sa salt and water. So, high heat. Patay lang natin yung ating eggplants until half cooked. And then we're going to add in our chicken breast. At this point, we are going to add our oyster sauce. Coat lang natin siya. Lagay na natin yung pepper. And then, you cover this and let it simmer for 45 minutes. Check natin. So, as you can see, guys, kumukulo na siya. Stir lang natin ng konti. And I think it's done. Plate na natin siya. So, ayan, guys. Ito na ang ating sauteed chicken with eggplant and bell peppers. At natapos na naman ang isang magandang recipe. But before anything else, guys, I would like to thank again Mr. and Mrs. Ray and Maricor Curado for having us here again at their farm for 3 good episodes po siya. And of course, Dr. Cristina and Dr. Sheila Jurado of Jurado Dental Clinic located at Bonifacio Street, Vigan City. Ayan. And there you have it, guys, another great recipe brought to you by, of course, me, Chef Sam. But before we end this show, I would like to thank the following people, of course, Mr. and Mrs. Ray and Maricor Jurado for having us here for 3 good episodes of What's Cooking. And of course, Dr. Cristina Colin and Dr. Sheila Jurado of Jurado Dental Clinic located at Bonifacio Street, Vigan City. So there you have it, guys, another great recipe brought to you by, of course, me, Chef Sam, and this is What's Cooking only here on Wake Up Ilocos.
And that was Chef Sam with our What's Cooking segment. Ngayon naman, dumako tayo sa ating Celebrity Corner kung saan makakapanayam natin ang sexy former Viva Hot Babe na si Jennifer Lee.
Let's get an update on her career, love life, at mga iba pang kanyang pinagkakabalahan. Panoorin natin ito.
She'll sizzle your screen with her sensual look and serve you the hottest shots of her career. Today in our Celebrity Corner, ating kakamustihin si Jennifer Lee. Nakilala si Jennifer Lee nang maging parte ito sa sikat na all-girl sexy group na Viva Hot Babes. Dito, nakasabayan niya sina Maui Taylor at Katya Santos. Naging bahagi rin ito sa ilang mga sexy films, gaya ng Ilusyon, Co-ed Scandal at Lalaki sa Parola. Pero noong 2008 ay pansamantala munang itong tumigil sa showbiz dahil tinuloy niya ang kanyang pag-aaral. Sa katunayan, kumuha ito ng hindi lang isa kundi 2 kurso, ang Hospitality Management major ng Hotel Administration at Culinary Arts sa Enderun College. Eksklusibo naming nakapanayam ang former hot babe tungkol rito.
Kababalik ko lang po sa showbiz, kaya sana po nandiyan pa rin po yung supporta ninyong lahat and of course yung pagmamahal niyo po. And it feels good na ito po ulit ako nakakapag-perform again and nakakapag-guesting ulit. Yan, sana tuloy-tuloy lang po. So, subaybayan niyo lang po.
Dito, ibinahagi rin ni Jennifer ang ilan sa mga paborito niyang lutuin.
Okay, yung personal favorite ko kasi is Asian cuisine. Filipino cuisine, Chinese and Japanese. Pero sa school kasi ang kinuha kong elective is Mediterranean cuisine. Kasi yung school namin, Enderun, is under the Alain Ducasse formation, so which is basically more of the French cooking techniques. So, yun yung pinursu ko kasi yung specialty nila eh.
Kwento rin ni Jennifer kung paano nito pinagsabay ang showbiz at pag-aaral.
Ay nako, sobrang hirap. Sobrang na-burned out ako. Yung first year ko in school, pinagsabay ko yung showbiz. So, in between, school, I was working, I was doing taping for Toys TV and then Josa, and I go straight to school. Sobrang napagod ako, hindi ko na kayanan. So, yung second year ko, I really had to choose. Kumbaga, ano yung i-give up ko. So, give up ko muna yung show business and I focused on my studies and ito, natapos ko. Pero sobrang na-miss ko yung show business and it's good to be back.
Matapos makagawa ng ilang album at pelikula noon, muling nagbabalik si Jennifer sa showbiz. Kamakailan lang ay nagkaroon ito ng cameo sa music video ni Noy Volante na Ipagpatawad Mo. Bukod rito, kinamusta rin namin ang pagbisita ni Jennifer sa ating probinsya.
Ang saya, sobrang saya. As in, sobrang init ang pagtanggap ng mga tao sa amin dito. And of course, ang Vigan, it's one of the best tourist spot we have here in the Philippines. And it's great to be here.
At may mga ilan-ilan ring mga salitang Ilocano ang kanyang natutunan.
Naimbag na aldaw. Tama ba? Yung may natutunan ako ngayon. Ayaten? Ayaten ka. Di ba?
At ilan sa mga nagustuhan niyang mga pagkain ay ang
sobrang masira ang aking diet ngayon kasi ang dami kong nakain na rice kasi gawa nung vegan longganisa. My gosh, sarap with suka pa. Ay, panalo talaga. Wala akong masabi.
Bago magtapos ang ating interview, narito ang kanyang mensahe.
I do have my Facebook page na po i-like nyo. Jennifer Lee's fan page po. Ako po mismo yung makaka-chat nyo doon. So, I'll keep you guys posted sa mga future projects ko po. And thank you po sa supporta nyo na sobrang naramdaman ko sa pagbabalik ko. Andyan pa rin po. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Love you! Hi, this is Jennifer Lee and you are watching Core TV.